my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And in this video, well, it is mostly my weekly work in progress video, but it's mostly to show that we're started on March's Mystery Yarn Challenge, and that is hosted by Lori over at Armchair Chef. Make sure you check out her channel because this, before it was just like you swapped yarn between two people. I would have sent yarn, and then I would have got yarn in return, but she changed things up for the new year, and we can work on our work in progresses, and that's what I decided to do this month. Okay. I had to do a thumbnail quick, but okay, this is the project I wanted to finish this month. Just so you know, this is a t-shirt. In case you're new here, I had started this t-shirt back in May of 2023 as part of a t-shirt challenge, but I had switched gears and I knew this was taking too long. I wasn't going to get done in time, so I switched up and did a quick different project. But anyway, this now is now almost not quite a year old, but getting there. So the process is to finish this now. Okay. So the process was that I started here, and now I'm working over to the other sleeve, and we're almost to the point to the sleeve. I think I got to do, like, notice we're doing stripes, so I'm on this newest stripe, and I got this one, and I think 2 more stripes after. I think this is 14. I gotta do 16 going back before I start that. So yeah, I gotta do, after this one, I gotta do 3 more stripes. And then I'm onto the sleeve. I have no pattern for this. I'm just winging it. So yeah, no, the color, yeah, just. And the yarn, if I remember, was using was the there's a Black Friday yarn I was using, and it's like a size 1 or 2. And then I think I had another size 1 yarn. So, but yesterday I think I broke up my yarn balls, so now, because they're all multicolors, so I was working on both ends of the ball. So I just wound them up, redid these into smaller balls for my stripes. Made them into more manageable balls because it was starting to fall apart. Because as I was using it, pulling from the center, it was starting to fall apart. The cake was starting to fall apart, so I had to redo the cakes. Oh, I think this is the cake I'm working on. This one. Yeah, I am hopeful to have this done by March. Finally. It's like I wanted to get this one done. Now, if I do get that one done, and I have time yet this month, there was a second project I want to finish. And that is this cardigan. So you've probably seen this one, yeah. So this, I got working on 2 halves of the cardigan, and this half is done. And I just barely started on the second one, so I'll work on this one once I have that one done. I'll have to remember to send Lori if I start this one this month. I'll have to remember to send Lori a picture, or look at this video. Well, I'll just send her a picture of the progress. So, this is half done, and I just barely started the second half. And then I'm not following a pattern on that one, so I'm gonna try to figure out. Okay, once I get the second half done, do I need to make it longer for sleeves? I gotta add more. I don't know, make it longer or whatever. And on the rare off chance that I get that one done before the end of the month, along with the shirt, I maybe want to work on my sock. I might have done a row. I haven't worked on this sock, so I'll just go and move on to the sock. I realistically will not get the pair done, but maybe if I'm lucky, I'll get one done. Now, if you're working on socks, you know the trick to socks is that once you finish the sock, you have to start the second one right away, or this poor sock you will never start it, and you'll have a single sock. Yeah, tip for socks probably works for mittens too. Start the second one. When you finish one, start the second one right away. Alright, so that is now covering all the mystery yarn challenge that I'm participating or what I'm doing this month. But we can look at all the other stuff I got done this week. Right here. Nope. I just made an egg. No, Easter coming up. I do have a basic egg pattern. And I do have a chevron egg pattern. See if I made it, or so hopefully you'll check. Okay, I'm trying. Hopefully I'll leave those links in the video. But yeah, I made this one egg. Maybe I'll make more of those. I mean, it's quick to make up, and they're cute. It's cute. And along with them, I'm also doing the Bod Hat Palooza, which is hosted by Laura, over at Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming. And this is the bod hat I got done this week. I love this stitch. It was very interesting. So, because it's alternating front posts, back posts, and I like how that texture is. And I thought, wouldn't it be cool to switch out every color every row? And I am happy with that. Switching colors every row. I like how this turned out. And for instead of a pom-pom, we did a bunch of chains kind of thing. So yeah, I'm not a fan of how she decreased it. I thought it was like way too quick. So when you does that, it kind of bulks up. You know, it kind of. I would have liked a more gradual decrease for the hat. And it has worked. You don't start from the top, you start from the bottom and you work your way up. And I will leave that link for the Bag O' Day pattern in the description. So that is all I got done because I'm now focusing on the t-shirt. And I'm also focusing on things we're making Thursday projects. Stay tuned Thursday for that. March's things we're making Thursday is bags. Very excited about that because I think I got now 2 bags started. 2 bag whips started. So come back Thursday, see what those are. And then the only other projects, okay, I did work on one other project. I took it to church while the kids were in Sunday school. I didn't take my normal project I had selected for that. I thought I might still try to get this done because this is the yarn from last month's Mystery Yarn Challenge. And I was making a scarf for this. So this is my, I think I called it a lacy scarf, but it's almost like, it's not zigzag, but it's like little swirly pattern. So if I get this done this week, then it would count for February, but I am not pushing myself to finish this project. So I got that, I'm working on that. All right. Oh, I forgot I have another project in here. This was the blanket. Oh, okay, I think that's, there we are. I almost forgot about this project. This is, things are flying everywhere. This is the blanket I kind of started that I wanted to see if I can get done, which I didn't, so now this is a very much back burner project. But it's kind of like a scrap yarn single crochet project with a big hook, which I think went flying everywhere. Alright. And other yarn stuff flying everywhere. And this is a project that I would have normally had taken with me on Sundays to work while the kids were at Sunday school. And I haven't even touched it. I don't think I've touched this project now for 2 weeks. Yeah, I think I should work on it. I'm going to like how this feels, and I like how the colors look. And to remind you, this is, I'm using Fairyland, which you can find off Temu. Very soft, but I think kind of Well, it splits that easily. I haven't had too much problem with splitting either, so once I get that done, it'll be a very nice shawl. Which I think is one of the themes for a Mystery Yarn Challenge coming up in the coming months. Not sure when. Alright, I have another, okay, there it is. I was looking for my one last, yeah, too many works in progress. I work on this one when because I don't have to think too much when I'm talking to my mom, but this will probably be good working on a TV project, but it's just going to be a scarf that's filet. And then every so often I might change directions. Depends on how much that I can, I think I'll keep going how long. I want to make sure it's long enough, scarf long enough, before I make it wide enough, but yeah, this is just filet crochet. Okay. And finally, I got the year-long temperature scarf. And there we are. Oh, see, now it's starting to get to the point where it's like, oh, you can't see it all. But yeah, we've had, again, some warm temperatures over the weekend. And that's this darker orange and red color, and now we're like back, I think we're back to normal temperature for March, and that's the 50s. So yeah, some back and forth crazy weather this time of year. Usually it's how it is in spring. You can, but not like last week. Holy crap, like definitely had like really warm, got in the 80s that one day, and then the rest of the day got colder. So we'll have some fluctuating temperatures for sure now, and we're in spring. Yeah, that is it. That's scarf. I think the only thing, I might have to like try to block it at the end of the year, but I don't know if this is the case with a chevron stitch, but it's kind of, yeah, doing that. It's buckled, but I think once I block it, it'll probably be okay. If I block it, I'm sorry, I rarely block my projects, I know. I think I block it if it obviously needs it. This one may or may not, I might not bother. I might just deal with, maybe I'll get it invested in a steamer. Let me know in the comments if it's, I think I've seen another YouTube video where they use the steamer to block out their projects. So let me know if that is a good idea or not. Well, that is all I have. I do have 2 other projects, but you'll have to wait till we're making Thursday to see those projects. So that is all I have. Hope you come back for that. And if you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching. I'm pushing the 4,000 watch hours, so we're getting there. Hopefully in the next few months we will hit the 4,000. But again, I will see you. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.